Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to switch to Pro account on TikTok. So let's start. First open the TikTok app. When the app is opened, you have to tap on your profile icon on bottom right corner. When you are on your profile, you have to tap on the three dots on top right corner. Then tap on Manage Account. And here you will see the option Switch to Pro account. Now tap on that. Now you have to select an account type, creator or business. I'll show you how to make a creator account this time. Now select creator and then tap next. Now tap on continue. Now you have to select a category and then tap next. Now you have to select your gender. Then tap done. And your account is now switched to a professional account. And that is how you can switch to Pro account on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.